Largest healthcare provider in Utah gives the green light on physicians recommending medical marijuana. The first major step was passing Prop 2 and then the compromise, but creating a pathway for getting medicinal cannabis in the hands of patients legally is yet another. Well, it's a big day for patients who thought this day would never come.
We're ready for patients to meet with their physicians.
Dr. Mark Breesacker, Intermountain Healthcare's chief physician executive, says Intermountain Healthcare doctors can now recommend medical cannabis for patients with qualifying conditions, including cancer, epilepsy, autism, and PTSD. Getting doctors and nurses on board was a big question mark. Many advocates, such as Connor Boyack from Libertas Institute, who helped write the new law, thought this day might not happen.
So many patients around the state have reached out to us expressing frustration that their doctors aren't willing to talk or not ready. This opens the gates for those conversations to happen.
A conversation that could lead to a recommendation in the form of a letter. Physicians can now print out from the healthcare system's electronic health record. It's helping people who suffer, like 24-year-old Esteban, who lives with chronic pain.
Until they finally just said he will die. We can't fix this.
Desiree Hennessy of Logan fought for 4 years to get medical cannabis for her son and others.
It became so much more than just my family. Strangers would hug me and they would tell me that, the secrets in their lives, the hardest parts of their lives and how they were suffering and they were using in secret, and how all they ever wanted was to not be a criminal.
It leaves patients to find and purchase medical marijuana on their own. That part is still illegal.
This is a new risk for us, but when I think about the decisions that providers and patients make every day, like the decision to go to surgery, there are risks in that.
This movement was for all of Utah. Today, finally, we were able to say, you're recognized and you're legal. Your doctors are there to help you. We gave you that conversation. The goal has always been this day.
And this is the first step of many to come for healthcare providers. Meanwhile, University of Utah Health has been practicing similar guidelines, issuing recommendations on a case-by-case basis.